Is Mobile Edges Bang Bang not working on Wi-Fi on your iPhone? Don't worry, follow this easy troubleshooting guide to fix Mobile Edges not working on Wi-Fi from any iOS device. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check and fix your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. And if it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Or you will switch your mobile network to Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi to mobile network, and then check your issue. Solution 2. Change DNS settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap the Wi-Fi icon, scroll down, turn off low data mode, scroll down, tap Configure DNS, select Manual, set the first DNS server 8888 and the second DNS 8844. And tap Save. Solution 3. Reset all settings. If none of these steps work, then reset all the settings. It will reset all settings to default values and your network-related data will be deleted. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. Hope this process will fix Mobile Edges Bang Bang not working on Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.